Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your Nothing phone for a Pro heating while charging. So first, it's normal if you charge your device using fast charging. Basically, fast charging is meant to heat up your phone because you're getting your battery quicker, and it's normal that it heats up because it outputs a little bit more power than normal charging. That's why you can go over and make sure that you're using a charger that's not supporting fast charging, because if you do and you have one that supports it, basically the phone has an option to automatically detect it, and you can easily still heat up your phone while charging it. So I do have this cable right here. I know that it is fast charging, and I know if I plugged it into this phone, it will heat up after a couple of minutes or after like 20-30 minutes. So this is good looking out for. You want to check your cable and a charger. After that, you can also check for the settings. Now here in the settings, go to battery, and in the battery we want to make sure that after we click battery usage, there's no apps that are draining our battery in the background. So we cannot do anything about the Nothing launcher, let's say Play Store, Play Services. We can only do things for apps that we just do not use like that. So, or maybe just apps that are in the phone by default. As you guys can see, we can disable background usage for Chrome. We can do that for YouTube Music, and we can also do that for Google TV and a lot more. So make sure that you disable every single app that's using high background usage. And after that, make sure that you're using an original charger and a cable. This is very important because if you're not using the original cable, then the phone can mess up because it is already programmed. Not programmed, but still, it knows that it's charging with the original one or not. That's why we want to make sure that we use the original ports here. And after that, make sure that you avoid your phone while charging it. So for example, do not play any games on it. Do not watch, let's say, YouTube. Do not watch TikTok, Netflix, and etc., even Facebook and Instagram. This is very important because any work done on your phone basically can cause it to heat up while you're still charging it. And of course, what we want to do is we want to remove the case to improve the heat dissipation, because as you guys can see, there's a place where the heat gets up because it cannot escape anywhere. That's why we take the case off, and as you guys can see, now the phone can, let's say, breathe. And as a last resort, we want to make sure that we charge the phone in a cool and ventilated area, because whenever you plug it in, let's say in the sun, then of course the sun is hot. This will heat up our phone, and the battery can just be done, and it will be definitely over for the battery, so you will have to get a replacement. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.